Hi, this is Julia and the Space Daily News channel. China's Shenzhou-14 taikonauts conducted their second extravehicular activities on Saturday, September 17. Astronauts Chen and Xuzhe successfully finishing their tasks after 5 hours of close cooperation and returned to the space station lab module Wentian. Astronaut Liu Yang has been inside Wentian assisting the extravehicular activities. During their spacewalk, astronauts installed a foot limiter and the extravehicular workbench. Assisted by a small robotic arm, they cooperated on tasks including installing the extravehicular handle and conducting outside cabin rescue verification, both of which were being carried out for the first time for China's manned space missions. The extravehicular handle is mainly used for dealing with abnormal or emergency situations, as when astronauts are outside and cannot open the cabin from the inside, they could use it to open the cabin. As for the extravehicular rescue verification, the taikonauts imitated the procedure of one astronaut climbing to bring back the other astronaut, who has been rendered incapable. The Shenzhou-14 crew has been in space since June 5. During the second half of their 6-month stay in orbit, they will oversee the arrival of the other lab module Wentian and be involved in the first Chinese space station crew handover when the Shenzhou-15 crew arrives. This was Space Daily News. Like, share and subscribe.